Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing a neighborhood with abundant forageables and diggable terrain. This matters because element spawns vary by lot. Once selected, send a sim equipped with a shovel and a fishing rod. Those tools unlock the primary sources. Make sure to assign time blocks for foraging and digging so you stay efficient. If you have a sim skilled in gardening or handiness, prioritize them because faster harvests and successful digs yield more elements. Start by visiting the nearest park or empty lot now. Now you move through the lot methodically. Inspect rocks, dig all obvious hot spots, and forage plants near trees and bushes. These actions reveal element fragments. Once done, fish in ponds and the ocean because water sources sometimes drop rare elements. Make sure to check both residential and community lots and revisit spots at different times of day for new spawns. When your sim collects something, secure it in the household inventory or a storage chest immediately to prevent loss during events. Finish by organizing your haul. Sort elements into dedicated containers or place rare finds on display so you can track progress. You should catalog what you have and note which locations produced each type, because that helps when farming specific elements later. If something goes wrong and items disappear, first save and reload the game. That often restores lost inventory. If not, transfer remaining items to a different chest or the sim's personal inventory, and avoid fast traveling until you confirm stability.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.